Are you looking for a condo that's under $400,000 in Uptown? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you a fantastic one. It has 2 fireplaces. Okay, so here's the stats on the condo. What makes this one so special? Obviously, location, location, location. So this one is right off of Holland Avenue in Uptown. You can walk to Whole Foods. You can walk to Nona, which is a great Italian restaurant. There's a really great late night lounge called Bar Taboo, which is great. And it's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 2 floors, 2 fireplaces. It's a little, it's about 1,062 square feet. The HOAs are $303 a month, so very low HOA. There's not a ton of amenities. That's why the HOA is low. It's going to pay for the maintenance of the grounds, and it's got a beautiful courtyard. And this particular condo does have a small patio outdoor. It is on the 1st floor. It's just an upstairs, downstairs, but a great, great deal. So $399.9. If you're looking for something in Uptown, this is a great find and an absolutely fantastic location. So let me know what you think. If this is your first time to the channel, be sure and subscribe to my channel below and let me know your thoughts on this condo. Okay, so what did you think of the condo? So something else I didn't tell you, it is just south of Highland Park, and it's just north of Lemmon Avenue. So you are in a really great pocket of Uptown. It is very quiet there. Obviously, I keep talking about it, it's very walkable. It is a great location. So give me your thoughts. Be sure and comment below. Let me know, do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you looking for a condo under $400,000? If you are, and this one's not for you, be sure and let me know if this is something that you're interested in. I would happy to be your buyer's agent. Okay, so the listing agent on this one is Mary Ann Percy of Ally Beth Allman. She's a great agent. I would love to work with her on this deal. I would love to be your buyer's agent. So if this is your perfect condo, be sure, let me know, reach out to me. All of my contact information is below, and I'd be happy to show you anything else in Dallas if this one is not for you.